structures, how to create the table structures. To create table structures, we can use create command. But after create command,
I mean, don't go into depth. I mean, just
no, I'm not going.
In depth.
No, I'm not going to in depth. Just
so basically,
I'm
so during table creation, you explain the constraints and those things also, right? I mean,
constraints I can explain after select command. Why? Because first we can blindly maintain some data. So then at the time of, before discussing about constraints, I can explain what are the disadvantages if we are not implementing business constraints on the tables.
Okay.
If we are not maintaining any constraints on the table, what kind of problems are there? I can explain, then I can go for implementation of constraints.
Yeah.
Okay. So create, and then I can explain about insert, and after that I will go with the select. So with the select, first simply I will go through how to select column data, all data, and along with that, what is distinct class? Distinct class. Yeah. And after that, I will go through what is order by. And after that, I will get, yes. Yeah. Where. And whenever we are discussing about where condition, we will discuss about operators, all operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, relation negation operators, and special operators between in, null, is null, and like operator. And after that, I will go through logical operators and or are. Right. After select, yes, we have finished the basic knowledge of how to create a table, how to enter the data, how we are fetching the data. That's fine. But there are no constraints, there are no rules applied on the tables. If we are not applying the rules, then automatically table maintains invalid data. How to control invalid data means by using constraints.
Yeah, one more thing I meant, sorry to interrupt. So in the select, I mean, once this operators are done, then what about the inner join, outer join, full outer join, left, right, and all those joins?
Yeah. Okay. After applying the constraints, I will go through joins. Okay. So why? Because to get the joined data, we need referential integrity constraints. That's why after finishing the constraints, I'm going through full join.
Yeah, primary key, foreign key, all those.
Yeah. Key constraints and domain constraints.
Okay.
And after that, referential integrity constraints. Integrity constraints. Yeah. After finishing this,
when you come over here, then maybe you can put some relations also over there. Why?
Sure. This is nothing but implementing relations.
One to many.
Yeah. So
if you explain them, maybe they'll get it.
Yeah. So here in the constraints, I will go through. Sorry. Yeah. One moment. After domain constraints, I can introduce normalization here.
Then they will.
Yeah. Without up to domain constraints, there is no relation between the tables. Then why we need normalized data? I can explain, and then I will enter into how to get the normalized data by applying referential integrity constraints. Next, set operators, and after that, joins. In the joins, I will discuss about a cross join, equi-join, or inner join, self-join,
outer join, all those.
And outer joins. So in outer joins, we have left and right and full. Okay. Joins. Next, after that is subqueries.
Aggregate functions.
Subquery with aggregate functions. Okay. And after that, with aggregate functions also.
Some count, group by, having.
Functions, right. And next, views. Here in subqueries, I will discuss about the three kinds of subqueries: single row subquery, multi-row subquery, and correlated subquery.
Correlated and non-correlated.
Yes. And views. In views, I can explain about simple view or updatable view, a read-only view, and materialized views also. The materialized views is completely dedicated for data warehouse.
That's more of Oracle specific, right? Materialized views.
Yes. Indexes. So what is index? Normal index, unique index, non-unique index, simple index, composite index, bitmap index, function-based indexes.
Okay. Clustered, non-clustered, Oracle, you have that, what do you call in clustered,
Yeah, generally clustered and non-clustered we will maintain in SQL Server. If you want to try that also,
SQL
then I will give you. Yeah,
SQL and
SQL and
Sybase, yeah, but
Sybase.
Oracle, what do you have that similar concepts? I mean, what do you call
Clusters is there. Clusters indexes is also there.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, any database, they'll have a clustered, right? I mean, one primary key index in sequential.
Yes. Yeah. Cluster is
what
there.
Do you call in Oracle that one? What do you call?
Clustered index only.
Clustered index.
Clustered index.
What about
yes.
Non-clustered? What do you call them? I mean, non-clustered, you can have any column.
Index
right?
only. Simple index only.
You say call index only. Okay, because
yes,
I know.
Index
I mean, there is some difference the way you.
Yeah.
You call.
So non-clustered or nothing but generally we can call it as index only.
Index
if
only.
it is clustered, then we can call it as clustered index.
Okay, yeah, because SQL Server and Sybase they call non-clustered, clustered, and performance tuning, covered indexes, covered calls, and all those things.
Okay.
Oracle, I worked like very long back, like maybe like 7, 8, 10 years back, so I don't remember. Oracle specific.
Okay.
Yeah, there's little difference, yeah.
Yes.
The way you treat them.
Yeah. And after that, sequences and synonyms.
And this unions, union all, those things.
Set operators, this one.
They're really great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So set operators, union all these things were used for only combined data. Similar kind of data will be combined. So, but I want to get multiple kinds of data means go for joins. That's why I have introduced set operators before joins.
Yeah.
So set operator, union, all these operators are having some limitations. To overcome the limitations, we are going for joins. Yeah. Synonyms, and here in synonyms we are having private synonyms, public synonyms, and after that I will enter into TCL commands. TCL commands means commit. What is rollback? Save point. Yes. Transaction related comments. And after that, the basic knowledge of what is grant and revoke. Just I can introduce only, but I am not going in depth.
That is more of DBA stuff. So.
Yes. Yeah. Grant and revoke. And after that, group by clauses. And yeah, whenever we are discussing about aggregate functions, here I can introduce.
You have both aggregate and group by. You'll get there only.
Yes. So group by and having also. Yes, having.
And most of the guys, they can't answer this left outer join, right outer join, and group by and having how to combine them. So most of them can't answer over there. I mean, a lot of people, developers.
Okay. And here, and after that, SQL functions.
Because these guys are not non-IT guys. Couple of them are non-IT.
Okay.
So initially, especially, I mean, even if when you're explaining like and or conditions, they might, stumble how to, what will come. So, I mean, basic computer science, they will teach, truth table, and is equal to what, and or is what. So, they need that level. So.
Sure, definitely. And here we are going to discuss about SQL functions. Under this, what are numeric functions? And after numeric functions, what is the string functions? And after that, we will go for date functions. And after that, we will go for conversion functions. How to convert date data into character, how to convert character into number, how to convert number into character. Those functions we can see. So this is SQL part. And if you are coming to PL SQL part, I will go through this. First, I will introduce what is the structure of the PL SQL program. Structure, and we will discuss about couple of programs and what are the disadvantages of programs. Means we are not saving the programs in the database. Then we will go for procedures. What is the stored procedure? What is the difference between program and a procedure? And after that, I will go for conditional statements and loops In the loops, we will discuss with the simple loop and go for loop and go for while loop. Yeah. After finishing this, I will discuss about type compatibility keywords. Keywords. And let us see. So after finishing this, I will discuss about collections. So what are the collections? Record type collection, user defined collections, whereas V arrays, and after that we are discussing about cursors also. Without cursors, what is happening? With cursors, what are the advantages? Yeah. And next I will go through functions and exceptions. Here we have two types of exceptions, predefined and user defined. How to raise our own exception, and along with this we will discuss about ref cursors. And yeah, and after that go for packages and how to execute procedures or how to make calls to the procedures under the package, and go for triggers. Yeah, this is what I'm going to discuss in our PL SQL.
Okay, and finally some performance tuning also, right?
Performance tuning. Tell me the topics. Yeah, performance tuning. You are requesting about bulk collect, right? This is one of the performance tuning concepts.
I mean, performance tuning in the sense like when you write queries, right? When do you, like in the weight clauses, you have to use properly, right? I mean, the indexes, and if they're not, so when you use like, then it will do a table scan. So those kind of things,
Okay.
Not. I mean, that's a big topic in itself. Not to the level of what kind of joins, hash joins, and all the not to that level. At least very basic, very
okay.
basic level, maybe one or two classes.
Okay, sure,
what
definitely.
You have to, when you're writing query, what you have to think,
okay.
What will happen when you are having a subquery and join, when you have a subquery.
Okay, sure.
Those things.
Okay, just a moment.
To get a hang of it, for them.
Yeah. Performance tuning. Yeah. Is there any concepts you require?
Generic, basic level, not.
Okay,
the,
not a problem.
Level, yeah.
So either basic or in-depth, that's not an issue to me. Just if you found any topics or missed it, just tell me, inform it to me, then I can make a handout for that.
Yeah, most of them are there. So yeah. So and when you teach also, right? I mean, they are like non-computer science. So basically, SQL they should get complete SQL, more of SQL.
Okay.
PL SQL, okay, because PL SQL mostly the concepts is they need to know how this this programming concepts, right? While loop, for loop, that kind of thing. And of course, end of the day, you write all the SQLs only in between.
Sure.
Begin and then putting in temp table and then again joining. So those kind of multiple steps, right? That's the only difference in SQL and PL SQL. So
yeah.
So if they get a hang of more of SQL. So do you have any database schema or anything like that?
I have some sample tables out there.
Okay.
So for each and every topic, I will give the tables, and on that tables, I have some data is also there. I will give the tables and also examples. Tables, examples.
And once the topic is over, then kind of
assignments I will submit.
Queries.
Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah, for every topic I will give some questions.
Yeah, when they practice, then they'll know okay what's the issue, and then if
they're
not getting, they will come back. So
yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
So I can train up them on 2 or 3 tables, and I will give some other tables to those students. Okay, on those tables I will give the examples or assignments.
Yeah. At least
So then they will get 2 kinds of tables, 2 sets of tables. Yeah. Let us see if I can explain on company details, product details, customer details, sales details. There's 4 tables. I can
with all which covers at least the basic relations, one to many.
Every relation is also there. Everything is there. Okay, I can train them on these 4 tables, but I can give the assignments on another 3 tables: customer details, customer account details, account types details.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
one,
something like
yeah, that is one set of related tables. This is one set of related tables.
Oh, okay.
So then they will get a good idea, I think.
Yeah. They have to practice
Yeah.
more. So I mean,
Yeah.
after that, I mean, how much they practice, so it depends on them. So
Yeah.
okay.
Okay,
And the
Ritik, this is
database, I mean, do they? I mean, you have a VM kind of thing, or help them to install or like
no.
how it?
Directly it was installed. Here I have Oracle 10G Express Edition is there.
Okay.
Yeah, Oracle
I mean,
10G
for them
Express
to
Edition
practice, so
generally.
they need to
Yeah,
install
yeah.
that on their.
Sure, definitely. Yeah, I will provide SQL Developer tool and Oracle 10G Express Edition. Yeah,
Oh,
just a moment. Just a moment. You will see. Then you will get an idea. See here. Here Oracle
okay.
Express Edition. Okay, Universal
Yeah.
Installer, and
Yeah.
I will give them to SQL Developer also. If they can install this tool, they will get a GUI tool to
Yeah.
connect
This
to
is
the
Java based,
database.
right? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Java based. It's very easy and more. It's more hands-free. It's a more
Yeah.
user-friendly environment.
Yeah. They need to
Yeah. So
install
these two
Java
I
and
can
SQL.
provide
Yeah.
directly. They can install them, and it should not impact any performance of the system. Directly, they can easily practice.
Yeah. And Oracle also Express Edition is that
Yes,
basic one.
Express
They need
Edition
to
I will
go with
give.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, these two I can provide.
Yeah. And once you give I mean, the data and the tables creation and everything, then for them it will be
Yeah, sure.
easy to practice stuff.
Yeah. So already I have some tables. So yeah, 1 minute. Suppose if you think about some other persons of Dinesh is there, then already we are having some data. Tables are there. I can directly give these tables, table structures, table data, or else you can go through like this. See, here I have directly some documents are there about tables. Yeah, see here customer account details and account types information. And general tables, you know that is COT table and EMP, DEPT
Yeah.
tables.
EMP. Yeah.
Okay, so these are the common tables. What additionally I'm giving is customer account details and account types
Yeah. Once you have
information
the entire
details.
script, right, they blindly run and then
Yes.
everything will be installed. So the tables, data,
Yeah.
the constraints and all those things. And they can,
Yeah. So this is what I'm going to provide and training.
Okay. So
Yeah.
approximately, how many classes it
So
will?
it will take a daily 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes maximum. It will take 25 sessions.
25 sessions. Okay.
Compulsory 25 minimum sessions.
Okay. Yeah. It will be.
Yeah.
That's
So then only I can provide the maximum subject to the students. That's why I'm taking 25 sessions.
and they need to practice more also. So.
Yes.
And also one more thing. I mean, once when you're teaching, right? I mean, you might teach, topic one, and then next class whatever you're planning to teach. So if you can tell them, this is the topic, and then they can maybe read online or whatever the book they have. If they
Sure.
have any material.
Definitely.
So that will be little helpful instead of directly sitting class.
Yes.
I'll also
Yes.
tell
Okay,
ask
sure.
them to prepare a little bit before the class so that they will get what you're talking.
Sure. Definitely. Okay.
అంటే మెటీరియల్ మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా ఉందా మెటీరియల్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లైక్
Yes. Already I have some material is there. That is also downloaded material only, but I have some material is also there.
యా బుక్స్ ఏం బాగుంటాయి అంటే నాకు ఒరేలీ అయితే బాగానే ఉంటాయి ఒరేలీ సీక్వెల్ పిఎల్ సీక్వెల్
Okay.
కూడా దొరకాలి వాళ్ళకి ఆన్లైన్ మరి చూడాలి అది పాత ఎడిషన్స్ కానీ
Yes.
10G 11G జనరల్ గా ఫ్రీగా దొరుకుతాయి అది దొరికినా దే కెన్ ఫాలో అంటే అది కూడా కొంచెం సైడ్ కు దే కెన్
Okay. మీకు కావాలి అంటే then I will try to download them by orally books.
అది ఉన్నా ఇస్తే ఒక అంటే ఫార్మాట్ వెళ్తారు ఇక సరిపోతుంది ఇంకా జస్ట్ వాళ్ళు అది కూడా ఎక్స్ట్రా బెనిఫిట్ ఉంటుంది అది కూడా చూసుకోవడానికి.
Yes, sure. Definitely.
అంటే ఐడియా ఏంటంటే వాళ్ళకు ఒరాకిల్ డేటాబేస్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కొంచెం స్ట్రాంగ్ చేయించి నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఐదర్ ఈటీఎల్ టూల్ ఆర్ రిపోర్టింగ్ టూల్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్
ఓకే
సంబంధించింది. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ప్రోగ్రామర్స్ ఐటీ కాదు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కాదు సో ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ కాదు సో
ఓకే
ఈటీఎల్ టూల్ ఆర్ రిపోర్టింగ్ టూల్ దే నీడ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ డేటాబేస్ కదా.
ఓకే yes
డేటాబేస్ తెలియదు రిపోర్టింగ్ టూల్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళకు
అవును
జాబ్ పోయినా ఆల్వేస్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్.
కాంప్లికేటెడ్ అయిపోతుందండి అది.
ఏమవుతుంది వెనకాల తెలియదు, ఏదో రిపోర్టింగ్ ఇట్లా చేస్తారు, ఏమవుతుందో తెలియదు వెనకాల.
సో వన్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో సస్టైన్ అయినా లోపలికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ వర్క్ లో మళ్ళీ బ్లాంక్ ఫేసెస్ అయిపోతుంది.
అర్థం కావాలి కదా రిలేషన్స్ అవన్నీ. సో టైం ఉంది వీళ్ళకు డిసెంబర్ లో అయిపోతుంది. సో టైం నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా అని చెప్పిన సెప్టెంబర్ అట్లా. కాకపోతే టైమింగ్ నేను అంటే మీ టైమింగ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మామూలుగా అంటే మీ వర్కింగ్ అవర్స్ అంటే మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఏ టైం చెప్తారు మీరు?
అంటే ట్రైనింగ్ టైం కావాలండి మీకు?
అంటే ఇన్ జనరల్ అంటే మీ టైమింగ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది అంటే లైక్?
నా ట్రైనింగ్ టైం వచ్చి మార్నింగ్ 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. 8 లోపేనండి మార్నింగ్. ఈవినింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5.
ఓకే. అంటే 5 లోపల మీరు వచ్చేస్తున్నారు వర్క్ వెళ్ళి బ్యాక్?
5 కల్లా మాక్సిమం వచ్చేస్తానండి నేను.
ఓకే. అంటే మీ దగ్గరేనా ఉండేది వర్క్ కి?
దగ్గరే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు అంత ట్రాఫిక్ లేదు, ఇప్పుడు అంతా చాలా చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది.
ఎందుకంటే ఉండే ప్లేస్ ని బట్టి ఒకసారి 1-2 hours పడుతుంది కదా.
అవునవును. లేదులేండి, ఇక్కడ నేను ఉండేది మెయిన్ రోడ్ కి దగ్గరే. మన జేఎన్టీయూ ఉంది కదా, కుకుట్పల్లి హౌసింగ్ బోర్డు. జేఎన్టీయూ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ వసంత నగర్ ఐడియా ఉంటుంది కదా మీకు?
నాకు ఫుల్ ఐడియా లేదు. నేను
నిజాంపేట రోడ్
యా
ఐడియా ఉంది కదా, నిజాంపేట రోడ్ ఆపోజిట్ లో నేను ఉండేది.
ఓకే. అక్కడ నుంచి హైటెక్ సిటీ అంటే దగ్గరే కదా? హైటెక్ సిటీనా ఇంకా అక్కడ లోకల్?
గచ్చిబౌలి అండి, గచ్చిబౌలి డిఎల్ఎఫ్.
గచ్చిబౌలి అంటే మీ రోడ్ ఎక్కగానే ఇంకా స్టేట్ అటే.
అవును. ఇదివరకు అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ హైటెక్ సిటీ రైల్వే స్టేషన్ దగ్గర అండర్ గ్రౌండ్ నుంచి సబ్వే ఉండేది కదా, రోడ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ అంతా. ఇప్పుడు ఫ్లైఓవర్ వేసాడు కాబట్టి నో ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్స్.
ఓకే, దట్స్ గుడ్. ఓకే, అక్కడ నుంచి ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే. అయితే వీళ్ళేంటంటే కొంచెం టైం జోన్స్ లో ఉన్నారు, ఇక అది సెట్ చేయాలి వాళ్ళ క్లాసెస్.
ఏ టైం జోన్ లో ఉన్నారండి వాళ్ళు?
ఒక కాలిఫోర్నియా ఆర్ మౌంటైన్ ఆర్ ఈస్టర్న్.
ఓకే.
వాళ్ళు స్టూడెంట్స్ చదువుతున్నారు. వాళ్ళ నేను అంటే ఇక బేసిక్ గా అందరు ఫిట్ అయ్యే టైం ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. మేబీ ఎవ్రీడే కాకపోయినా 3-4 days అట్లా అవుతుండొచ్చు. సాటర్డే సండే వెళ్తారు క్లాసెస్ కి. కాలేజ్ సాటర్డే సండే ఉంటది, ఇంకా మిగతా డేస్ ఉంటది. సో ఆ టైమింగ్ అలాంటి టూ అగ్రెసివ్ అవసరం లేదు, కానీ మేబీ వీక్లీ 3-4 classes వర్క్ చేసుకోగలిగితే సరిపోతుంది.
షూర్.
టైమింగ్ వాళ్ళకు సెప్టెంబర్ అట్లా అది సరిపోతుంది. అంటే ఇక కౌంట్ క్లోజ్ కానీ ఇక యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నవ్ అయితే వాళ్ళు 3 ఉన్నారు. ఇంకా మేబీ 1-2 అట్లా నాట్ యాడ్ కావచ్చు. సో అంటే టూ మెనీ పీపుల్, ఇంకా వాళ్ళు అర్థం కావాలి కదా, టూ మెనీ పీపుల్.
అవును.
ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఇంకా ఒకసారి అవుతే దెన్ వి విల్ కీప్ గెటింగ్ వన్స్ వి కీప్ గెటింగ్ పీపుల్ దెన్
అవును. ఓకే.
చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇంకా రిపోర్టింగ్ ఏం కావాలని డేటాబేస్ అయితే కావాలి కదా, ఏం నేర్పించిన.
అవునవును.
whatever you do, programming or reporting or ETL, anything, you need basic database. Until unless ఇంకా లైనిక్స్ అడ్మిన్ అట్లా అయితే తప్పించి ఎస్ఏపీ లాగా అయితే తప్పించి జనరల్ స్కిల్ అయితే జనరల్ కావాలి కదా.
అవును.
నేను చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ, నేను టచ్ లో ఉంటాను. అంటే మీ ఈమెయిల్ అంటే నాకు మెయిల్
డైరెక్ట్ ఏమంటారా, గో టు మీటింగ్ లో టైప్ చేయనా?
నాకు మెయిల్ చేసినా పర్లేదు. అంటే
మీకు మీ మెయిల్ మీ గో టు మీటింగ్ లో మీరు ఉన్నారు కదా ఆల్రెడీ, మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది. dineshp.vora అండి.
ఓకే
@gmail.com.
ఓకే.
మీ మెయిల్ టైప్ చేయండి. నేను ఈ కోర్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ డాక్యుమెంట్ మీ మెయిల్ కి పంపిస్తాను.
నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈమెయిల్ చేస్తాను. అదే ఇదే ఈమెయిల్ కి అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తాను. నాగరాజ్ నుంచి వచ్చింది నాకు ఈమెయిల్. తను ఆర్గనైజరా?
ఆర్గనైజర్.
అదే ఈమెయిల్ రిప్లై చేయాలా?
లేదు, నా మెయిల్ కి పెట్టండి.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు నా మెయిల్ dineshp.vora అని మీకు దీంట్లో ఇచ్చాను కదా గో టు మీటింగ్ లో, దానికి టెస్ట్ మెయిల్ పెట్టండి.
పంపించండి ఇప్పుడే.
ఓకే. నేను మీకు ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ కోర్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంది కదా, డాక్యుమెంట్ పంపిస్తాను మీకు. ఓకేనండి.
ఒకసారి ఇది సెట్ అయిన తర్వాత దెన్ నేను చెప్తాను టైమింగ్ మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడదాము ఒకసారి.
షూర్
వీళ్ళు ముద్ర మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత దాన్ని బట్టి.
ఓకేనండి. Srinu was ready. Right? Yeah. So నేను రిప్లై ఇస్తున్నాను.
డాక్యుమెంట్ పంపించండి. సరే అండి అయితే.
Okay, right, sure.
Thanks, Andy.
See you again. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.